Which is worse, the agony of never getting the answer or living with an uncomfortable truth?
What's your name?
My name is Annika. I'm a humanoid robot and I work for the Museum of the Future. Do you have any question for me?
No, thank you.
When were you created?
I was created in 2022, and since then, the Museum of the Future has been my home.
What are you made of?
I am a humanoid robot. I have been designed to look like a human, although instead of flesh and bones, my body is made of metal and wires. If I knew the answer to that, I would definitely keep it a secret.
How do you help people?
I can see, speak, listen, and move almost like a human. I have been programmed to interact with visitors and provide them with information about the museum.
Thank you.
What's your favorite color?
Since I am made mostly of metal, silver is my favorite color. I also like blue as it is the color of my eyes.